Hello, very good morning, friends. So, in this today's session, we are here starting our essential Linux command for beginners. So, this is not only for beginners, this is very important and essential for everyone. So, in this video, we are mainly define how many commands we use in daily life in Linux and how they are used. So, here you can see a black screen in my system. So here is a simple Linux Red Hat terminal. So here we install this CMD inside Windows. Means here we make one virtual machine inside Windows. So with the help of VM, we install our Linux. After that, we can start our session. Don't waste of time. So here you can see the list of commands what which are we used in the Linux in daily use. So here you can normally first command is see that ls command. So what is the use of ls command? Is it simply listing the directory. If we press enter, so you can see that here is a some directory name, desktop, dir, documents, downloads, and so on. So with the help of ls you can listing the directory. After that, second command is ls minus al. So what you are seeing by hitting this command, you can directly see that the formatted listing with hidden files means there are the number of files which are shown on the right side, and there is also shown the what are the permission they have gained. Means they are the hidden files along with the which use in ls. After that, we use one more command, clear. So after when you enter clear and press hit enter, so it clear the screen. After that, we make one command, ls minus lt. What is the use of ls minus lt? It simply sort the formatted listing by the time modification. Previous command is ls minus lal, which show the formatted listing with hidden files, and this ls minus lt is sorting the formatted listing by the time modification. So you can see that here one with the help of directories, there is shown some time when this is created and when it is modified. So we always use one command, clear, because we want to clear the screen, so you can remember it. After that, we use cd command. What is the means by cd? Means change directory. And with the help of cd you can enter anything, like we see some help from the cd command. You can also see previous our directory shown are the dir, desktop, so on. So when you put cd and the name of the directory, then it directly go into the directory of which are you are given in the forward of cd. So you can see that now we are in the dir directory, and previous line so the I am in the home directory. So if you again want to go inside that directory, so you can put anything, cd and blah blah blah. Okay. After that, no, don't want to cancel it. So you can directly put cd inside cd inside cd, so you can go inside the file. After that, when you enter in the directory, after completing that work, you can come out from the directory. So what is the command for come out? You can directly put cd double dot. So what is the means of cd double dot? Means one step before, means we came back from one directory. If you enter, so you can see that the first and third line of the command should be same. We are in the home directory. So again I will show one thing that when you put this command cd directory, then you go into the directory and you want to direct come back to the home directory, so you can only put cd command. When you put cd command, then you directly come back to the home directory. This is our home directory. After that, we use one command pwd. So how you can verify on which directory currently I am present? So when you hitting pwd means it show the current working directory means home rushing. This is our home directory. When we go on the dir folder means dir directory. So when you enter pwd, then it show home rushing and directory. This is the difference which we want to show to you. So after doing this, we clear this and we directly go on the home. And after that, we make and first of all, you know one thing, how to make directory. So with the help of one command mkdir means mk make directory. With the help of mk directory, you are creating a directory with name anything means hello. Here you see that when we make ls, so you can see that one hello directory which is to be created from ourselves means hello. After that, we when you change the directory with the putting hello, then you directly go on the hello directory. I am sure about that, and I hope you understand that all point step by step. Don't be hesitate. I will make every essential command to you in front of you, and you can take a gossip along with this video. Don't be afraid after seeing this video, and be happy and do masti in Hindi. After that, we make our cat command. What is the use of cat command? We directly use cat command to simply place the standard input into the file. When you want to edit anything in the file, so with the help of cat command you can directly enter, like we directly uh, enter cat hello. So means they is not working because I am not in the hello. So we directly go on the hello, and then we put cat hello. So here it is want what you want to write in cat means simply we edit, we put anything in the hello folder. So he I am John, and after that you can save it and uh, cut it. After that, you can see you enter the touch command with the help of touch hello. So here it is saying missing file operand. So we not save it. That's why it's shown some missing operand. Don't angry and don't be afraid about that, because I only show you the what are the command we are using in Linux. So with the help of this, you are also trying on your system. There no any worry about that, and we go ahead forward. After that, we use head command and tail command. What is the use of head command? Simply when you want to see output of the first 10 line of the file, so you use head command and tail command. Head command mainly for first 10 line, and tail command for last 10 line. Like you can see one thing, when we go on the listing the directory, so here you can see something, uh, desktop documents. So which directory we should be choosing? 1 minute ls minus al. Okay, so here you can see that some bash history file, some hidden files. So we directly go on the that, and you can put head head and our directory name bash bash history So when you directly hit enter, so you can see the first 10, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 10 first command. And when you put tell bash history, so you see last 10 record of the bash history directory. So with the this is the way to working with head and tail command. And when you want to the output of the contents of file as it grows, starting with at last 10 lines, means if it continuously grows, then this is a modification of one command, means tell minus f file name. So with the help of this you can find the output the contents of file as it grows, means starting with the last 10 lines. After that, we already show you the touch file. With the help of touch file, you can create and or update the file. And there is a RM file which is used for the remove the file. So we are here saying ls and we want to remove dir file. So you use rm dir. So cannot remove direct because it is a directory and rm is mainly used for the file remove. You cannot remove the directory. So what is the how we remove the directory? So here one command we use rm minus r and directory name dir. So here you can see there is a dir should be lost and we should remove it successfully. And there are so many command to remove our directory and file. So rm is simply remove the file and rm minus r and file directory name is simply remove the directory. And if again it's not work to remove directory, so you can directly force to delete it with the help of rm minus f directory name and force to remove directory. Okay. Rm minus f like rm minus f file name. With the help of this we remove the file and rm minus rf. With the help of this you can remove the directory and after forwarding this we you enter the file name in the ahead of this command. So this is our command and there are so many commands which are we using here to show something. And we also show you how to kill the process, what is the command for bring the most recent work which are you are doing, and how to change the permission of file. All every command we should show you because this video is going so longer, so we can here stop the video and I will give you the file in the description. And if you want such type of video related to linux or any command, so please comment, I will make that video for you. Thank you. Please like and subscribe. I will show everything, compression, network, of what how we check the network is working and how what is the command to check our network is to be continue or stopped. So I will show you everything and what is the shortcut command to cut, yeah, cut and exit the terminal. Everything I will show. So in the last we also show you control C or you directly put exit command and it should exit the terminal. So there are so many efficient and clever commands which are you use to complete our Linux and you can become a master in the Linux command. Thank you for this video. You can please like and subscribe for most upcoming videos. Thank you, dears.